This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 PC. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To disable OneDrive, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to do that. The first method, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner of your taskbar. You want to find OneDrive in here. You want to click on it. Then you'll go up to the top up here, up to the little gear wheel. You want to click on that. Click on Settings. And then in this little dialog box that opens up, you want to click on Unlink this PC. That will prevent OneDrive from syncing to your PC. Another method to do it is to prevent it from starting up at all on your PC. You want to go down to the taskbar. You want to right click on the taskbar. You want to go up to where it says Task Manager, click on Task Manager, and in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Startup Apps. Then you will scroll down to the O's, and right here is OneDrive. As you can see, it is enabled. It is automatically starting up on my PC, but to disable it, to prevent it from starting up, right click on that and click on Disable. Now, as you can see, it has been disabled. That prevents it from starting up at all on your PC. The other option that you would have would be to remove it completely from your PC. The way to do that, you want to go down to the taskbar, down to the start icon. You want to right click on that. Then you want to go up to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Apps. Then at the very top of the center pane, you'll click on Installed Apps. And it might take a few seconds for this list to populate, but you want to scroll down to the M's. You're going to look for Microsoft OneDrive. Right here it is, Microsoft OneDrive, and if I wanted to uninstall it completely from my PC, you go off to the 3-dot menu on the right side of it, click on that, and you would click on Uninstall, and that'll completely uninstall it from your PC. That is how you disable OneDrive in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.